to circle words that children read without hesitation. When a child can read a word that fast, that's when we circle it. That's when we know that they have mastered the word. I want you to hear what mastery sounds like. This is Isaiah. Isaiah has already mastered this entire list. I know because it is completely circled, every word. Listen to what it sounds like.
I am, is, he, go, to, and, me, come, have, in, to, not,
Right.
look, said, the, like, my, play, can, me.
Oh my gosh. Isaiah, give me 5. That is how quickly we want everybody to be able to read the words on list 1. That is reading to mastery without hesitation. Good job, Isaiah.